Grill People. We're having some big sales coming up for the Black Friday specials. Let's go inside and see what it's all about. Ooh, what a selection of grills. On this side here, looks like they carry Broil King. They have a special right now on this outdoor kitchen. Corner cabinet, sink, double side burner, grill, cabinet for a refrigerator, and a pizza oven. And they have that on sale right now for $32.95 for the complete kitchen. That's not $32,000, that's $3,200. It's like they carry Napoleon, Bull, Blaze. We got a hole here missing, and that's where Fire Magic goes. Yeah, that's also Fire Magic. Look at all the accessories. They're having a big 30, 40, 50% off on Black Friday. Look at all the seasonings. Refrigerators. On this side here we have Coyote Grills, Coyote Pellet Grill. This is a fantastic grill. Your front load on the grill. What I love about this grill, just turn it on right there. And you set the temperature, whatever you want, push and hit start, and it takes it to that temperature. So think of that kind of like a convection oven. You can cook pies, cakes, anything you want on it. Warming drawers, power burners, side burners, griddles. Let's go down this aisle over here. Go down the center. Blaze pizza oven, Blaze griddle, sink and faucet, True Flame. True Flame's a good product. They're all good products. Here they are. True Flame. It's a good grill. It's got lights, the back, front, lifetime warranty. There's another pellet grill. That one over there was a 36-inch. This is a 28-inch pellet grill. Look at all the seasonings, all the accessories. Seasonings. These are racks that turn. It's loaded with seasonings. We have wood, chips. Here's a bunch more accessories. They're running a huge promotion on selling these accessories at Christmas time. Here they are. And this aisle right here, look at all the pellets. There are 28 flavors of pellets. Bear Mountain, Lumberjack, Griller's Gold, Barbecue Delight. Here's some of the pellet grills and gas grills. Napoleon gas grill, freestanding. And the Green Mountain grill, Camp Chef. Look at this Pit Boss. We have that on sale for, I believe, $7.99. Might even be better than that. Camp Chef offset smoker, only $3.99. Brazilian grill, SB pellet grill. Ooh, got a big sale on that one. $9.85. Good grill. More pellets and charcoal. Betterwood charcoal. Betterwood chokers, those big bags they sell for $29.95 at Walmart. We sell them for $19.95.